Go have a work day at Chelsea's. I don't know where my phone tripod is, but I think I'm gonna bake tonight. It's a Saturday night at home with some cozy fall movies, and a girl's gonna bake. The only problem is I was in the mood to like bake, but Alicia and Taryn are being really strict right now with their food. So I found a recipe that is gluten-free vegan brownies, and I'm going to attempt to make it. I have made vegan stuff before. I was vegan for like 6 months, and it's not hard, it's just a lot more complicated. It's a lot more ingredients. So I am at the store. I'm gonna grab some things now. Okay, got the goods. Now hopefully they turn out good. Okay, here we go. So this guy's name that I have followed on Instagram for a while, his handle is The Big Man's World. Basically posts nothing but healthy baking recipes. Alicia showed me him probably like a year ago, and this is my first time actually trying one of his recipes. So wish me luck. All the ingredients is almond flour, vegan chocolate chips, coconut sugar, vegan butter, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, and an egg mixture. So that's all that it is, and ready, set, go.
Brand new. Loving you is the easy part. Loving you is so. Loving you is the easy part. Loving you is so. Is so. Is so. Is so. Is so. Is so. Loving you is the easy part. Loving you is so.
Guys, Lexi's here. We just barbecued some carne asada and we're gonna watch, what is it called?
Witches of East End.
Witches of East End.
We're saying hello to October.
Yeah, we're really just embracing the fall vibes right now. And then don't worry, the brownies are cooling. I'm gonna try those in a little bit.
Come on, let's go.
So the brownies turned out super gooey, super fluffy. I think it tastes good. I haven't tried a bite yet, but real reactions right now.
Do I look rough?
No, you look great, you look great. Give it a go. Really? Lexi?
It tastes like brownie batter.
Dude, I'll never get dementia because I'll just be thriving.
Yeah? Hey, that's pretty good. I was supposed to do the vegan flaxseed egg, but I was too lazy and I used real eggs since all of us don't care about eggs. But dairy free. That's good, right?
I love that that's your foot. I was like, wait. She's like, I used the brownie batter. I was like, oh. Right.
About to watch the Fenty show.
It's so good.
Very excited for it. Look at that pose. Straight chillin'. Heard nothing but good things, so we're very excited to watch this.
Chloe May.
Hi, Chloe. Hi, Chloe.
I love you. Any dog. Love me. Any dog.
And none for Gretchen Wieners. It's October 3rd.
Yeah.
Mean Girls Day. Wanna watch the Fenty show?
You want to go to mom?